Hi guys, welcome back. Exercise 5.3, 11th question. If the sum of first n terms of an AP is 4n minus n square, what is the first term? So that is S1. Then they are asking what is the sum of first two terms, what is the second term, similarly find third term, 10th term and nth term. So this is your 11th question discussed. So we'll see how to solve this, and we need to find what are the questions asked in your 11th part. So first write what is given. Sn equals 4n minus n square, right? Sum of the first n terms is being given as 4n minus n square. Now first find what is the value for the first term, that is S1, that is equal to 4 minus 1, that is 3. So this will be your first term. Then find S2, that is 4 into 2 minus 2 square, that is equal to 4. Now S2 means sum of first two terms, that is equal to A1 plus A2. We know the value of A1 to be 3. Therefore that is equal to 3 plus A2, that is 4. Therefore the value for second term is 1. A1 is 3. Right? With this we can find the common difference, that is nothing but 1 minus 3, that is minus 2. Now find if the sum of first n terms of an AP is 4n minus n square. So Sn is equal to 4n minus n square. Now the nth term, that is An, equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, where the value of A is nothing but 3 plus n minus 1 into minus 2 is your common difference. So that gives you 5 minus 2n as your An value. If you want to find the value of A3, you can substitute the value of n to be 3 and whatever it is, right? Now as per the question, they are asking us to similarly find the third and the 10th term. Now A3 is equal to 5 minus 2 into 3, that is equal to minus 1. Similarly they are asking 10th term. So A10 equal to 5 minus 2 into 10. So that is equal to minus 15. So the third term is minus 1 and the 10th term is minus 15. At last your conclusion will be sum of first two terms, that is the value for S2 which we got is 4, and second term value, that is A2, right, is 1. Similarly third term value is, that is A3, that is equal to minus 1. Then they have asked us 10th term. 10th term is A10 is equal to minus 15. Similarly for nth term is 5 minus 2n, right? This one will be your nth term value, right? When you substitute the value for n, you get the term value which you substitute, right? So this is your 11th question. Now in the next video we'll see the 12th question. Thank you.